guys, it's Elizabeth here. So today's video is going to be a back to school supplies haul. I actually also posted a back to school shopping vlog along with this video where basically I go to Target and Walmart to shop for school supplies and vlog it. If you want, I will link that down below, as well as my previous 2 back to school shopping vlogs. I've done 2 the past 2 years, and I also did 1 which I'm going to link down below this year. I just also want to thank you all so much for the positive feedback on my recent back to school supplies videos. And yeah, today I'm just gonna show you guys the supplies I got for this year. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first off, I think it's like only fair that I got this backpack, and I really like the color scheme. It's kind of a teal blue with gray and pink. In case you're going to bring a laptop to school or something, it actually has a sleeve for that. And it also has a compartment right here with some other mini tiny pockets, and also another one right here, and just the big main one. But yes, this is just the backpack I got. And also the following school supplies I'm going to show you I got from Target, and then I will tell you guys when I move on to Walmart. Okay, so second from Target, I got this kind of binder, and it's a 3-ring zippered binder, and this is just what it looks like. Next, I got some highlighters, and these are the Up and Up brand. And I remember last year I think I got highlighters like these, and I believe these would probably be cheaper. So yeah, I just got these. Okay, so next I got these USA Gold pencils, and this is Premium American Cedar pencil. Next, I got this Swingline staplers. Next, I got these cap erasers from Up and Up, and I just got these because they are literally so colorful, and I really like them because they look such, I don't know where I was going with that. But basically, they're just so cute, and these were only 74 cents, so you know, get your hands on these, girl. Next, I got these ruled index cards, and I actually have another one. Here are the 2. This is just what it looks like. It's also the Up and Up brand, and I really like this Up and Up brand, but you know, I like this brand. Also, these are really good for studying too if you're doing like vocabulary or memorizing stuff. Oh. Next, I got this Yogi. I kept saying Yogi, but it's Yobi. It's basically this Yobi pencil book, notebook, notebook. And it's basically this college ruled notebook, and it's a 1 subject with pockets and sheets. So basically, it's just this pink notebook thing, and it has a bunch of paper in it. But yeah, I really like this, and there was also a 5-star one, but this one was pink, so I was like, nah, I gotta get the pink, you know. Next, I got these pencil extra sparkle. I've never really owned that many mechanical pens, so I decided to get these, and these are really colorful and really cute. So yeah, I just got these. Next, I got more stuff from the brand Bic. So this is just what it looks like, really colorful and really cute. So I just got these because I really needed the green ones in here, and also the red and blue and basically everything. But yeah, I just got these, and these are the Click Stick pens, and it says break resistant cuff. I think this is really cute and cool. And next, I got this 5-star pocket folder. So I just got this one, and it's a white one, and I got it because it's really plain and simple, which I like. Mainly all my supplies are pink, so I just got this, and it has these little tabs here at the top. Next thing I got was this lunch pail, and it's tie-dye, and it's the zipperless cold lock, and I got this because it seems really cool. It's like so professional. It's kind of sealed, and it's easier to clean, and I just got this lunch pail because, you know, all those really cool features are really cool. Next thing I got was from the brand Up and Up, and it's this portfolio, and I just got this because it kind of matches the 5-star one, so I just got a plain one and a pink one to go with my pink theme. And inside, it just kind of looks like the 5-star one, except it doesn't have like the little tabs here at the top. But I really like this. Next thing I got was this USB flash drive by SanDisk, and I actually got this because my school required it. But it's this 32GB, and it's cruiser dial, and I don't know, I thought it was really pretty too because it's blue. Really cool, and it's 32GB as well. Next thing I got were these Sony headphones. So basically, they just look like this, and they're so gorgeous. These were actually on sale for $15, and I think that is such a good deal. And these headphones are like, yes. And it comes with a tangle-free cord as well. And here's just the box it came in. The next thing I got was this metal ruler. It's by the brand Up and Up, and it just looks like this, and I really like it because it's so simplistic. The next thing I got was this Casio Solar PK Fraction Scientific Calculator. It just looks like this, and yeah, super cute, and it's pink which goes perfectly with my back to school theme. Also, excuse this nail and all my other nails that have blue on it because girl, I was trying to paint my nails and I just rubbed it right off, so you know. I got these ballpoint pens and I got it in a pack, so if you want to stand this like on your desk or something, that would be so cool. Next things I got were these pens, and I actually got the red kind of pens because we needed blue, black, red, and green, so I just got these. They're by the brand Papermate, and yes, this is what usually I always get, but yes. Next things I got were these smudge-free erasers, and I'm gonna share this with my siblings, you know. So yes, I just got this Up and Up smudge-free erasers, and it says beveled ends resist tearing paper, and it's latex free, so I just got these. I got these Z-Grip ballpoint pens, and I actually got these last year, I think. Or that was just in my pencil case or something, but I remember using something similar to this last year, and it says ribbed rubber grip, smooth writing ink, durable metal clip, and retractable convenience. And yeah, I also got this pack of pens as well because it also has green and some of the other colors I need. Really colorful, really cute. And the next thing I got was this binder, and I got the Avery Clear Cover Durable Use Binder. Super nice. So next I got this compass and protractor set, and this reminds me of the ruler I had. This Up and Up brand ruler. This one I believe is also by Up and Up. Yes, it is. And they're kind of the same color scheme. Next I got this 97-cent pencil holder thing. I actually got one for my sister as well. Yeah. Next, we got these Elmer's glue sticks. We got these colored pencils, and these are just what they look like. Next, from Walmart and Target, I believe this stuff is from Walmart, we got these craft ruled sheets, and I believe these were only like $1 each. And next, we got these college ruled reinforced filler paper, and we also got 5 of these. Oh wait, this is 4. But yeah guys, that is the end of my back to school video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys want to see. I have so many more videos coming up for you guys very soon. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, if you want to become part of the Liz fam. But yeah, subscribe down below if you'd like to, and also make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next, and also be sure to stay tuned on my channel for upcoming videos. I have a lot planned for you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this week's video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I love you all so much. And remember that you're beautiful, and not only that I love you, but God loves you as well. I will see you guys very soon, and I love you all so much. Mwah. And thank you so much for 18,000 subscribers. That is absolutely crazy, and I love you guys so much. But yes, bye guys. Mwah. Hey. Ow. Okay, my